home hot and sweet chili for me, obviously, not for everyone. Hello guys. We're just having a lazy Sunday with my son here, and we thought, how can we value add some tomatoes that are left over that the market doesn't want, and we don't want them to go to waste. Farmers don't like wasting anything, so we like making a home hot and sweet chili for me, obviously, not for everyone, but he helps, and he helps even get the ingredients from the farm. So we're going to share the recipe with you. So shake slowly. So thank you. For this recipe, you're going to need some tomatoes. We are using, if you get the big ones, you can just use 5, but tomatoes need to be the most in this because we're kind of making a sauce. And then some hohos. We're just starting out our crop for hoho, but ending our crop for tomatoes. So you see the tomatoes are small and the hohos are not yet big enough. Then we're using 5 green chilies, and then we're using 1 big onion, and then 1 spring onion if you have. If you don't, not necessarily, and 2 garlic cloves.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby.
So after chopping up all your ingredients, put them in the blender. I don't have exact amounts, I just put everything inside. Please make sure that you don't add your chili at this stage. You can add it later as you please.
Leave you, no, not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand it better, baby, tonight.
Add 1 cup of water and blend.
Struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony.
At this stage, you can add your chilies now.
I turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough.
So we are done. The vegetables are simmering, boiling for about 15 minutes. They are ready. Doing so well.
But you're good for me, 'cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na.
Pack in an airtight container and freeze for up to 4 months.
I've been trying to reach
thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around to see how we value add or how we make our homemade hot and sweet sauce that turned into making beetroot juice as well. Uh, yeah, let me know what else you value add in store for your own home use and you want to send to your friends and neighbors.